All right, we are going to be adding some positive and negative numbers right now. We have negative 21 plus 9. The easiest way to think about this when you're first starting to add and subtract negative numbers is to use a number line. So I'm going to draw a number line, put 0 on here, and when we use a number line, we start where the first number is. The first number is negative 21, so I know it's going to be on the negative side. I'm going to just put negative 21 here. Now I'm going to add a positive 9. The positive numbers are on the right-hand side of the number line, and the negative numbers are on the left-hand side. When I add a positive number, I'm going to go towards the positive side. So I'm going to take this negative 21 and move over 9 spaces to the right because it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here will be your answer. All you have to do is count backwards now because the negative numbers get smaller as they go to 0. Negative 20, negative 19, negative 18, so on and so forth until you get the answer right there. Our next one is 18 plus negative 31. Same thing, we're going to start with a number line. This time our first number is a positive number. So I'm going to be starting on the positive side of the number line. 0's here in the middle. I'm just going to say this is positive 18 over here. Now when we add a negative number, this time we're going to go to the negative side because the negative numbers are go towards the left-hand side of the number line. This one's a little bit bigger numbers, so I need to think of this in a little bit different terms. I need to go 31 spaces towards the negative side, but that's a lot to count individually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a big jump here. And from 18 to 0, we would have moved 18 spaces back. Now I need to move 31 spaces. So if I've already moved 18, how many more spaces do I need to move? Well, if I take 18 and subtract it from 31, the distance we need to go, I get 13. So I need to go 13 more spaces. And if I'm at 0 and I move 13 spaces here to the left, it's going to take me to negative 13. So 18 plus negative 31 is negative 13. I'm going to have you go ahead and try this one on your own. No, I'll do this one with you. Negative 7 plus negative 24. The difference with this one compared to the other ones is we have both numbers similar, negative. Since I know we're going to be on the negative side, I'm going to put this 0 over here towards the positive side because I want to be in this negative side only this time. We're going to be starting at negative 7. And when we add a negative number, we continue to go towards the negative side. We're not going to be going towards this positive side at all because there's no positive number. Now I could either count 24 spaces here to the left to find out what it's going to be, or I can do this in chunks like, let's say this is about 10 spaces. So I just moved negative 10 spaces, which would take me to negative 17. I need to move negative 24 spaces altogether, so I'm going to move another negative 10. If I'm at negative 17 here and move over another negative 10, that's going to take me to negative 27. And then the last step I need to do is just another 4, because 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 4 is 24, and that's where I get the negative 24. So if you move over 4 more spaces from this 27, you're going to get the answer for negative 7 plus negative 24. Good luck with that.